Nakuha ni Sir Bolotaulo. Bolotaulo with a jumper. Basket is good. And Cantilla nails the layup para sa DepEd. And Barcoma answers with a 3-pointer, mga ka-Asenso. And Nakuha with a putback. And Nakuha with another basket, mga ka-Asenso. Blocked by Maglangit. Ball stolen by Nakuha. The long pass to Barcoma and the finish. And Lapitan missed the floater. And Lalikan with the finish para sa NBI. And Barcoma hits another 3-pointer. And the steal by DepEd. Now Lapitan with an easy layup. And Pamaran with the basket. To Navarro. Navarro. Pull-up jumper. Basket is good. Lapitan inside pass. Bustamante jumper no good. Oblimar with a putback and it's in. Pamaran to Sarat. Ball stolen. And Lapitan with a putback. And the steal by Lapitan. And that was our first quarter at the score 13-22. 9-point lead by NBI. And this quarter is of course brought to us by Mr. Burger, a Daddy Burger ng bayan. And welcome mga ka-Asenso sa itong second quarter para sa itong first game for this evening. Sa itong Mayor Sammy Asenso Heroes Cup between NBI and DepEd. And Plata nails the layup para sa DepEd. Barcoma for 3. Kablam. Plata with a pull-up jumper. Basket is good. Lalikan to Maglangit. Maglangit with the finish. And the steal by NBI. Bolotaulo to Barcoma. Barcoma for 3. Kablam. With his fourth 3-pointer, mga ka-Asenso. And Plata answers back. And Nakuha with the basket. And Nakuha with the basket. And Navarro nails a 3-pointer. Apog for 3. Kablam. And the steal by Apog. And Plata with the finish. Flores with the basket. And that was our first half at the score 31-41. Welcome sa itong third quarter, mga ka-Asenso, between NBI and DepEd. Sarat fires a 3-pointer, no good by DepEd. Cantilla to Lapitan. Lapitan with the basket. And Cantilla with the basket. And Lapitan with the basket. And Maglangit with the layup. 3-point shot from the corner. And Lapitan with the easy layup. Providencia with a jumper. Basket is good. And that was our third quarter, mga kasenso. To score 46-51. 5-point lead by NBI. And this quarters brought to us by CTG Construction. Welcome sa fourth and final quarter, mga kasenso. DepEd and NBI. And Bolotaulo with the finish. And Nakua with the finish. Barcoma missed the three-pointer and Pamaran with a putback. And David with a basket. And Oblimar with a basket. And that was our ball game, mga kasenso. Final score 56-61. Winner NBI.